Bonjour à tous, my name is Richard. I spent 26 years in Asia, mainly located in Cambodia since 1996. I moved recently post-COVID in Indonesia. I'm going to showcase today a classic dish from the culinary guide, which is poulet non tué. This recipe inspired me from old time when I used to spend a lot of time in Lyon with Chef Lassauzet. We used to eat this dish mainly on Sunday, and it reminds me some good memories. Be creative, respect of fundamental, and be passionate about what you do. If you fail, keep going, go! So the fillet has been done, you can see.